In this guide to the best 5 sports apps for your Fire Stick, we will first enable developer options. After this, we will then install the Downloader app and change some settings which will enable us to install the 5 best sports APKs on your device. Make sure to stay till the end, as after the guide we will show you how you can get your hands on a brand new Fire Stick 4K Max absolutely free. If that sounds good, just grab your remote and let's get started. Hey there, fellow streamers! Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Fire Stick. As this is a complete guide, we will start completely from scratch. So first, we need to download an app called Downloader. This can be found by heading to the search bar, and as soon as you start typing it in, it should appear at the top of the list. Select it and then click Download. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that subscribe button, it helps out the channel massively and ensures you never miss one of our awesome guides. Once it's downloaded, before we open it for the first time, we need to change a few settings. Hit back a couple of times until you are back at the home screen, then make your way over to the settings icon. Now make your way down to my Fire TV and hit the select button. As you can see, I have developer options already enabled on my device. To enable them, you just need to head into the About section, then click on your device 7 times. You will then get a notification saying you are now a developer. Press the back button, enter the developer options, and click on Install Unknown Apps. You will see Downloader in the list. You can now switch the toggle to On. Keep hitting back on your remote until you get to your home screen. As Downloader is an app that's going to be used a lot in the future, I like to move it to the front of the list. Just head to your apps. Go down to Downloader and press the menu button on your remote. In the side menu, select the option to move app to the front of the list. You may have seen a lot in the news lately about streaming movies and IPTV online, so we would always recommend using a VPN with these apps. We personally recommend using IPVanish, and by following the link in the description or in our bio, you can get up to 83% discount, and it costs just a couple of dollars a month. Here's a quick video of the benefits.
Did you know that your ISP can see all of your streaming activity? While your watch list may not be that interesting, your ISP can also keep track of all of your other online activity. Do you feel like your privacy is invaded now? With IPVanish, all of your data is encrypted, so your ISP can no longer understand your online activity. Protect your internet privacy today with IPVanish.
Just click the link in the description to register and ensure your privacy. Okay, so for the first app, we are going to make our way to Downloader. Click on the search bar, and then we are going to type in the web address you see on screen. I know people have had some trouble with the RBTV 77 app not working lately, but I can assure you, I have just recorded this today, and it is working absolutely fine. When you're done, hit go and you will go to the RBTV 77 website. Go across to the TV icon in the top right, then click on it. The APK will then download to your device, and we can now follow the on-screen prompts to get it installed. As soon as it's finished, just click Done, and we can now delete the install files to free up the space on your device. We can now exit Downloader by hitting the Home button. Make your way across to your apps, and you will now see it installed on your Fire TV device. Like I said earlier, I know there were a few problems before, but as you can see, this app is working flawlessly and is still one of my favorite apps for sports content. If we exit the app and make our way back to Downloader, I will now show you how to install the second app in this guide. Go to the search bar and type in this code exactly as you see here. And once you're done, hit the Go button. Just like before, the app will download, and again, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts to install it on your device. When it's finished, you can again delete the install files. Now we can head back to the home screen and head over to your apps. You should see it has been installed right next to our last app. Now, I love this app, and as you can see, it has a nice interface, and if you check out all the sections, you will find multiple links for all the events on here. That's app number 2 installed, so let's exit and head back to Downloader to install app number 3. Enter this code into the search bar, and just like the others, hit go when you're done. Follow the instructions, and when it's installed, make sure to delete those install files. Space runs out pretty quickly on these devices. Hit home and make your way over to your apps. I'm pretty sure you know the drill by now, but go down and you should see your newly installed app. If you haven't heard of this app before, then just open it up and take a look around and you will see exactly why it has made it to my top 5 list. The next 2 apps on my list offer more than just sports. They also offer plenty of other content too, so let's make our way back to Downloader and get ready for app number 4. Head to the search bar and type in this web address. When the website opens, we need to scroll down until we see this blue download button, then click on it. Scroll down again and you will see another blue download button, and we need to click that one also. The app will then start to download, and you can now follow the on-screen prompts to get it installed. When it's done, delete the install files. Now you can exit Downloader and make your way to your newly installed app. Just take a look around, and you will see there's a ton of stuff in here, not just sports, but masses of stuff from all over the world. Now, let's get to downloading our last app on the list. I think you're going to love it, and if you think your friends or family might benefit from this tutorial, why not share it with them, or drop us a comment on what guides you would like to see in the future. Make your way back to Downloader. Head to the search bar again and type this code in. Just make sure you type it exactly as you see on the screen. Just wait for the file to download and then follow the on-screen instructions to get it installed. Delete the install files, exit Downloader, and now you can head to your apps and enjoy your 5 newly installed sports apps. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You're now in with a chance of getting a free Fire Stick 4K Max. So here's what you need to do. First, you just need to like the video and make sure you've subscribed to the channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell, as every new video we release between now and when we hit 10,000 subscribers will have a question at the end. Today's question is, what's the capital of the USA? If you think you know the answer, just pop it in the comments. And remember, for more chances to win, you can enter at the end of every video between now and when we hit that 10,000th subscriber. We will then add all correct answers into a random comment picker, so the more you answer, the more you win. Good luck, and see you at the next video.